The government is exploring partnerships with the private sector to finance new and existing digital infrastructure projects.
ICT Authority CEO Stanley Kamanguya says this will ensure effective project delivery, operation and maintenance of digital public services, ultimately enhancing faster connectivity for stronger economic growth.
As compiled by Dr. Mukame.
The government is required to fund 30% of the projects under Vision 2030, with the private sector given a window to finance 70% on project costs. However, with the National Treasury stretched to its limits, the government says it is intending to exploit this provision and signed up as many public-private partnerships as possible.
We also want to explore what are the other alternatives that exist for us to collaborate with the private sector, development partners, and other stakeholders to finance digital infrastructure.
Plans are underway to develop an open source center which will help institutions adopt open source tools, manage software licensing, and build the digital skills needed to work with open source software systems.
We must empower the many African headquartered multinationals and tech firms based in Nairobi, and to be the bridge to the rest of the African region, sharing our capabilities, partnerships, and innovations across the region.
The remarks emerged ahead of the Connected Africa Summit 2025, slated for end of May, under the theme, The Digital Journey, Vision to Reality, emphasizing the transition from digital aspirations to tangible outcomes.